Beryllium oxide is a kind of amphoteric oxide. But how? Why is beryllium oxide amphoteric in nature? Let us see the matter. Beryllium oxide can react with base sodium hydroxide to form salt and water. Salt is sodium berylate. So, salt and water are formed when beryllium oxide reacts with base sodium hydroxide. Here, two sodium atoms, here two. This reaction proves the acidic nature of beryllium oxide. That is, here beryllium oxide is acidic in nature. Again, beryllium oxide can react with acid as well to form salt and water. Salt is beryllium chloride. Here, salt and water are formed when beryllium oxide reacts with acid. Here two chlorine atoms, so here two. This reaction proves the basic nature of beryllium oxide. That is, beryllium oxide has acidic nature and basic nature. That means beryllium oxide is a kind of amphoteric oxide. Amphoterism of beryllium oxide. Thanks for watching.